Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we have a lovely piece of Boulder Opal. It has got lovely shades of blue, greenish, orange. The stone has been wetted, so those colors will pop through. And the piece has been pre-shaped. It's nice and smooth. So again, back to the front, where its colors are. It's very lovely. Would definitely be a good knife handle if you finish this nicely, or you can repurpose it, recut it, and use the opal parts to make pendants and other pieces of jewelry you'd like. And this is it, a lovely orangey Boulder Opal. Have a lovely one. Thanks for watching.